Welcome to my video Make a Solid Income from PLR Products During a Recession, Making Money Online. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. Yes, there is a recession, and yes, the economy has resulted in many struggling, but you may be surprised to learn that many have gone unfazed by the slower economy. In fact, some savvy internet markets have been using PLR products to skyrocket their income. If your pocketbook has been hurt by the recession, you should consider private label rights products for a secondary income. A few extra dollars each month can make you sleep better at night knowing you can take care of your family. Done right, it could easily become your primary income, exceeding your wildest dreams. Since the inception of the internet, many have turned to the internet with the hope of making money, even becoming independently wealthy. After all, many have been extremely successful, and you too can do it. Of course, you'll want to watch out for scammers. They seem to be in all walks of life, and once they have your money, there'll be no way of getting it back. So how do you go about choosing a profitable PLR online business model while staying clear of those unscrupulous people? It's really quite simple. You look for those people who have enjoyed success. Many of these individuals want only to share their knowledge with others on how to make money through PLR. For those of you not familiar with PLR or private label rights, let us explain. This is content such as text, audio, or video that is sold with license. There may be a couple hundred or thousands of licenses sold for any one PLR product. So you create a product and then it continues to repeatedly make you money. There are numbers PLR products, but article packs are the most popular. Generally, you can get 10 articles for around $10. Consider what product will perform best for you, based on what it is you want to achieve. It's a good idea to spend some time learning more about the PLR products and how you can use them. There are plenty of guides available to help you become familiar with the different ways of using PLR. A word of caution, there's a lot of hype out there, so if it sounds too good to be true, it likely is. Private label rights offer an opportunity to create a solid income full-time or part-time. It allows you to build your online business and to watch it prosper. During these recessionary times, it's nice to know there are solid income opportunities around. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.